Hey, what is up? What is going on? Welcome back to another video, or welcome if you haven't visited my channel before. I now have 55 subscribers, I think, which is pretty cool. It's not many, but to me it is a lot, and I appreciate all the love. I wanted to do a video tonight, just basically a self-care night. I have been super anxious today. Anxiety is peaking because I have a job interview tomorrow and I'm super nervous about it. So I thought I would bring you along with my afternoon, well, nighttime, it's like 7 p.m. now, of trying to do things that make me happy to calm down. I already did a little bit of research this morning on the job interview. It's actually the second job interview for this company. I already did the first one, got through the first stage, so this is the second stage, which means it's with higher up officials in the company. I'm super nervous, but I think I'll crush it. So I'm going to bring you along with my night of activities of things that make me feel good. I'm gonna have dinner. My partner's currently making dinner because I don't cook. I'm gonna tidy this room because it's a mess. That always makes me feel better, being organized and waking up to a fresh, organized room. I'm gonna have a bath. I'm gonna make some tea. I'm gonna have some cake. So come along for the ride. I hope you enjoy my nighttime of self-care to try and bring my anxiety levels down. The first thing I'm going to do to sort of maximize my time is my partner Will is just making dinner. I'm going to clean up this bombshell of a room. It is so messy right now. We did washing yesterday and I literally just chucked it at the end of the bed, like I just have piles. It is a nice day. You can't actually see, it's like that stupid afternoon light, but it's a nice day today. I just had dinner. It was delicious as per usual. I just cleaned up as well. There wasn't too much to clean, and now we're gonna watch Big Brother because Big Brother makes me happy and it's entertaining and hilarious. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Okay, we have just finished watching Big Brother. I'm about to jump in the bath, light some candles, do some meditation, just really chill out for a bit because that tends to relax me. I'm sort of feeling better already, just sort of having cleaned the room. Like, it just feels so much nicer when everything is just tidy and beautiful. So sorry that the quality's changed. I'm just filming on my phone for a bit. My camera battery actually just died. I'm sorry for what I'm wearing. I'm literally wearing a robe. I'm going to get out everything I need for the job interview tomorrow, sort all of that out so that I'm not stressing in the morning. I'm also just going to open up my little London window. Look how beautiful that is, guys. I'm so lucky to live here. I also just got all of this stuff out so that in the morning I don't have to stress too much. Alright, I'm probably going to end the little montage vlog sort of situation there. Just gonna eat my cake, gonna drink my tea, gonna enjoy myself and just relax for the rest of the night because I have a big job interview tomorrow and I'm very stressed, but I definitely feel better after doing these little self-care steps tonight. So hopefully I get this job. We'll see how we go. But otherwise, I will see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.